The smartphone market in 2026 is more competitive than ever, and Samsung is once again making headlines with the launch of the Samsung Galaxy M18. Designed for users who want powerful performance, long battery life, and a premium feel without spending flagship-level money, the Galaxy M18 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting budget smartphones of the year. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy M18 looks far more expensive than it actually is. It features a sleek matte finish back panel with a modern camera layout that gives it a clean and stylish appearance. The slim profile and curved edges make it comfortable to hold, while the durable build ensures it can handle daily use with ease. Samsung clearly focused on aesthetics this time, and it shows. On the front, the Galaxy M18 sports a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This display is a treat for the eyes, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling. Whether you're watching YouTube, scrolling through social media, or playing games, the viewing experience is immersive and sharp, making it one of the best displays in its price segment. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy M18 is powered by a next-generation Exynos 14 series processor, paired with up to 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Performance is smooth and reliable, handling multitasking, gaming, and everyday apps without lag. Casual gamers will enjoy stable frame rates, while power users will appreciate the optimized performance of One UI 8 based on Android 16. Camera lovers won't be disappointed either. The Galaxy M18 comes with a 50-megapixels AI-powered main camera, supported by a depth and macro sensor. The camera delivers sharp photos with accurate colors, especially in daylight. Night photography is improved with enhanced night mode, while the 13-megapixels front camera ensures clear and detailed selfies, perfect for social media and video calls. One of the biggest highlights of the Samsung Galaxy M18 is its massive 6000 mAh battery. This phone can easily last up to 2 days on a single charge, even with heavy usage. With 25W fast charging support, you can quickly top up and get back to your routine without long waiting times. In conclusion, the 2026 Samsung Galaxy M18 is a complete package for budget-conscious users. It offers a stunning display, solid performance, dependable cameras, and outstanding battery life. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish smartphone in 2026 without breaking the bank, the Galaxy M18 definitely deserves a spot on your wishlist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to upcoming Smartphones Hub for more future tech updates. Rocket Cell Phone with Arrow.